Jodhpur, often called the Blue City, is a mesmerizing blend of history and culture. As I wander through its narrow lanes, I'm captivated by the vibrant blue houses that reflect the sky, a tradition rooted in the city's heritage. The majestic Marangir fort towers above, offering breathtaking views and a glimpse into the royal past of the Rathore dynasty. Inside, the intricate carvings and expansive courtyards tell stories of valor and grandeur. Don't miss the bustling Sardar market, where the aroma of spices mingles with the vibrant colors of textiles and handicrafts. Each stall is a treasure trove waiting to be explored. And then there's the local cuisine. Try the dal bati churma, a delightful dish that's a feast for the senses. Jodhpur is not just a destination, it's an experience that immerses you in the rich tapestry of Rajasthan's culture and history.